Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to control Google Chrome's Preload Pages feature step by step. If you've ever noticed Chrome loading pages faster or using more data, yeah, this feature is responsible, and you can manage it to suit your browsing habits. First, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. This is where Chrome lets you tweak privacy, performance, and loading features. Next, go to Privacy and Security and click Cookies and Other Site Data. Scroll down until you see Preload Pages for faster browsing and searching. This is the option that controls whether Chrome preloads links it thinks you might click. If you want to save data and reduce background activity, toggle it off. Chrome will no longer preload pages, which may slightly slow page loading, but keeps your browsing lighter and more private. If you prefer speed over data usage, keep it on. Now consider combining this with other privacy settings, for example, blocking third-party cookies or clearing browsing data regularly can reduce unnecessary background loading while still keeping performance reasonable. For advanced users, you can also check chrome://settings/cookies directly and review which sites are allowed to preload content. This way, you can whitelist important sites while blocking others. Finally, restart Chrome after making changes. This ensures your settings take effect immediately. You can always toggle the feature on or off later depending on your browsing needs. And that's it. By controlling the Preload Pages feature, you can balance browsing speed, data usage, and privacy effectively in Google Chrome. If this guide helped, like the video, share it with friends and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next